Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set Do Not Disturb to automatically turn on at a set time, location, or while using a certain app on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Focus. Next, tap on Do Not Disturb at the top, and then we're going to go down and tap on Add Schedule or Automation. In here, you can set the automation for time, location, or app. So let's say if you want to turn on Do Not Disturb at a scheduled time, then you choose time. And in here, you tap on the schedule to turn it on, and you choose a from time to time. So select when it will start at 9 a.m. and to 5 p.m. so during work hours. Perhaps you do not want anyone to disturb you, so you can turn this on, and you can choose to which days to repeat. So say from Monday to Friday, and on the weekend we will turn off the schedule, and then tap on done, and that's it. So you can see as soon as I set the schedule, my do not disturb is turned on because I am now within that toast set hours. And that's it. So you can manually switch it off by tapping on focus, and that will turn off my do not disturb focus. And that's it. So let's see if I can delete this automation, and we can try a different automation, perhaps by app. So if you choose app, if I say during reading, if I open up the books app, then I do not want anyone to disturb me. So do not disturb will automatically turn on if I open up the books app. And let's say if I try to locate the books app now, if I open that, and let's say if I want to do some reading, you can see my do not disturb automatically turns on when I open up the books app. And if I close it, then do not disturb automatically turn off. So that is a very nice little automation right there. And that's it. So that's how you can use automations to turn on or turn off Do Not Disturb on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.